In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Siteground cPanel, especially useful for those who might not consider themselves very tech savvy. Now, accessing the cPanel might initially sound a bit daunting, but I assure you it's quite straightforward once you know the steps. So let's dive right in and make this as simple as possible. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Siteground website. Their tagline is web hosting perfected, which certainly gives a good impression. To do this, open up your preferred web browser and type in worldsiteground.com. Once the page loads, you'll notice it's bright and welcoming with a clean layout. Next, you'll want to look for the login section to access your account. You should see a login button on the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that button. This step is essential to move forward, as logging into your account is necessary to access the specific tools we'll be discussing. After you've logged in, the next step is to direct yourself to your personal Siteground account. You can usually accomplish this by clicking on My Siteground account. If you're already logged in, this should immediately take you to a more personalized dashboard within the site. This page shows an overview of your account, helping you keep track of all the hosting services you have with Siteground. Once you're in your Siteground account, you'll want to focus on finding the Site Tools section. You'll typically find this option listed right next to your website name or on the main navigation bar. Click on Site Tools. This is a critical move because it is here where you will find various advanced functions available for your site, all organized for convenient access. Lastly, let's proceed to the dashboard. Once you are in the Site Tools section, look for the dashboard option and give it a click. This is the central hub for overseeing the performance and settings of your site. It's packed with useful features to help you manage everything from your site's files to email accounts and security settings, all from a single location. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated your way to the Siteground cPanel. From here, you can explore all the tools and options available to optimize your website's performance. Remember, the more you familiarize yourself with these tools, the more confident you'll become in managing your website effectively. I hope you found this guide both helpful and encouraging. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy hosting.